Welcome to our latest episode of our newsletter, our video newsletter, and it's November, or just the start of November, just coming up to November, and of course we're thinking now about Christmas, and in particular the Advent booklet, which we're just about to send out to our Daily Word subscribers. So can you tell us a little bit more about this booklet, Kimberly?
Absolutely. Well, we've just received it and we're in the process, as you say, Steve, of sending it out. We've got a lot here in stock this year. We've decided we're going to be abundant in number, so we have got lots to send out. There are wonderful pictures in there, but above all, there are daily articles and readings for us to focus on throughout Advent that focus on hope and faith, of love and joy and peace. And each week has a theme, and each daily reading is geared to that theme. There are Bible quotes to support it, and there are activities. For example, I breathe in and affirm I am one with Source. With my hand on my heart, I feel the light of my faith grow brighter and stronger. I welcome the gifts of faith as the Christ child that I am. So the daily readings are all geared up about supporting us spiritually, mentally, emotionally, to help us make the Christmas season a personal experience of the spirituality that we are. It's so geared up in the world about gifts and presents and spending money and food and drink, and that's great fun. But at the end of the day, it's all about our spiritual connection, the Christ within, connecting to that energy, and this is really geared up to helping us do that day by day. So we encourage anyone to get either their free copy if they're a subscriber to Daily Word, or to order extra copies for friends and family. And if you don't subscribe to Daily Word, you can order it online. There'll be a link in the website www.unityuk.org to enable you to order your copy, and it's just $2.95. I mean, that's pennies really for a reading that lasts for 30 days throughout Christmas and also into Epiphany and the 12 days of Christmas afterwards. So there's a lot in there to help us.
Fantastic, sounds really beautiful. Okay, and also we're starting to promote the calendar, which of course is a favourite, a Unity favourite. People love the calendar. It's very competitively priced, very low priced.
Absolutely.
Beautiful pictures and little sort of affirmations, little words to encourage us through the year.
Yes, absolutely. Well, this one is month by month, so every month there's a different picture. Some of them are of Unity Village, the photos taken from our headquarters in America, but also some beautiful nature ones as well. I'm looking through to show you some. And each month has a theme. So this one in May, I am a child of God and therefore I do not inherit sickness. And the Bible quote from Matthew, if your eye is healthy, your whole body will be full of light. So each month has a photograph, it has the affirmation, it has a Bible quote and space to write down appointments and birthdays and things like that. So as you say, very popular, $3.95. I mean, it's very well priced, as you say, and it's not too big. It easily hangs on the wall. You get a sense of the size of it. So yes,
great
we have
Christmas gift
well.
to a neighbour or to a family member or whatever.
That's right.
Christmas, or a stocking filler, I suppose.
Absolutely.
Is the other way to describe it.
I've started to make a mental list of who I can send them to this year.
Excellent, lovely. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to talk about is something that happens before Christmas, actually not too far away. It's the workshop, which is a little bit of an innovation, isn't it? To have a retreat workshop here in Maidenhead.
Yes, absolutely. It's going to be geared up to be a retreat experience, so it's putting the world aside. It's all connecting together, just like our retreats do, but really feeling that sense of connecting with each other and connecting with the energy that God is, and allowing that energy that underpins everything to rise up, to be released through us, so that we leave feeling that deeper connection. Any concerns or worries or fears or doubts dissolve in that healing energy that God is. So the day is geared up to meditations, to personal reflections and simple exercises we can do to help that inner light that is our light to be revealed, which is why it's called Revealing Your Inner Splendour.
And we've had interest, we've got places that have been filling up, but we do still have some free places.
We do, yes. It's a fair sized room, so we can fit people in comfortably, and we know that the right people will be there, the right number will be attending, and that together we create that wonderful energy that we do.
And I guess you can, if you want to, you could make it a little weekend if you're coming from far away and find a little B&B somewhere, or if you're nearer at hand, you can make it into a nice day away day
Yes.
experience.
Well, we gear these workshops on a Saturday that goes with our Sunday service. So if people do want to come, the Premier Inn is right next door, basically. Very easy, very well located, and can make a weekend of it and experience the service on the Sunday also.
Lovely. Okay, well that finishes us off. I think that's wonderful, and thank you again for presenting this little update, which I'm sure people find very valuable and very entertaining.
Oh, thank you, Steve. Bless everyone.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.